up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marco, and today we're day drinking. Cheers. All right, so I may have gotten my days mixed up. Today's 420, so maybe we shouldn't be day drinking. But a lot of you are gonna have the munchies, or maybe you just need to satisfy a simple craving. I got the perfect recipe for you, and you probably have a lot of these things already in your fridge. So we got some jalapeno cheddar sausages, some cheese, some eggs, some low-carb tortillas, and jalapeños. Let's griddle this up. This was pretty easy. It's just a low-carb tortilla, a sausage, some cheese, an egg, some jalapeños. You can make this any night of the week. You don't need a griddle. You can do this on your stove top. It doesn't need to be 420, but I mean, since it is, might as well make yourself some munchies. Mic drop. Absolutely delicious. So, I'll see you later on this week.